A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your vehicle is by installing 2-inch wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nuts. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Locate the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a blade cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT cooling 2-inch wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS 2-inch wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These 2-inch wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS 2-inch wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision 2-inch wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guaranteeing safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the rim and then install the stock nuts. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they're secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. After installing the 2-inch wheel spacers, just slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the wheels of the 2-inch wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.